The most tricky debate that we also saw was sustainability after a big hit or a viral song. Unfortunately, that is always that's always going to be an every year thing. There's always going to be an artist that blows up, and we want to see how they maintain the thing. A great artist that we saw maintaining that after they blown up was definitely Nathile Parker. After he blew up with 10 gram, with the 10 gram song, he maintained himself through 20 gram, through the connection, holding his own against Kechelo le Sheveshetu also, and Le Compolia America also. So there's definitely Natal Pakam is a clean image, and being clean as an artist is good. Is a good indication of an artist that can be well branded and an artist that has a lot of brand potential. So what you also say on social media, if you can avoid it, just avoid it. And Natal Parker is an amazing individual that showcased the you could brand yourself a bit cleaner and get to the same destination. And we are gonna start seeing a lot of those producers also that stood out. I love what King Salah was also doing in terms of his involvement and collaborative spirit. Real Came Fanakota had also the most impact Molokompong. I believe we are going to see a lot more in 2026 from him, and that just is a testament. Also, we saw guys like BL0, guys like Nova SA Style, guys like Westboy, Patron SA, Galapos, Fuego. We also saw guys like Butil Brill, guys like Shapa Mimi. Dil Brill also a well-rounded artist. I believe he's quite experimental with his sounds, monocompong, and we are going to see a lot of that in this upcoming year. And what Dil Brill was able to do with his project at the Department of Demetim, that consistency around just attaching his name to that catchphrase that Demetim definitely helped him be consistent and be consistent across all his music, not just one song, but just across. We are seeing guys like BL0, Zero We Wanna Party, who are consistent across the board in terms of their back end work. We are going to see a lot of influential work in the front work as time goes on, and amazing work from BL0, amazing work from guys like Bosliro Mane, and amongst others also. But in Crazy, also the consistency, Yabo Nali Boy, Young King, also the consistency, Yabo Abima Wamampela, and also special shout out to Bohipos SA, who I think a lot of us hardly take the time to really know also about him, but he definitely had the most impact in terms of helping commercialize the genre. So this is through your Metro FM collaborations, through working with brands like Yohande for the Locompo balcony mixes, and that is a key indicator. Locompo is definitely going to take over in this year. We definitely love the infusion of the the infusion of different sounds via V Scenari, via Shapa Mimi, via Clement Maosa also. And also the collaborative spirit was even more prevalent for album yela ya Miss Judy SA, yela ya Rare, the Rare EP, which you should check it out. There's another there's a lot of songs in there. One of my favorite songs is number one Morena. This is another one. I think uh Bafana Baka also. Also a special shout out to DJ Questo SA and the Josh also. Ke bona magware a rena mo lekompong, I think a go ne ba bangwe eno ba ba fela, DJ Questo and also the Josh. Shout out to you guys. Your work is impeccable, and what you guys are doing, we want to see more of it. We want to see more projects also from you guys. So thank you very much for your impact and also what you brought to the space.